Hopefully you caught my mistake right here. It was right here. 8 minus 25 is negative 17. So a bag of chips, if you divide by the 17, is 75 cents. Now you have everything you need to finish this thing off. 2 hot dogs plus 5 75 cents is 8.75. Let's see, 5 75 cents makes what? $3.75. So 2 hot dogs plus 3.75 is 8.75. 2 hot dogs is therefore 5, and a hot dog is $2.50. That's 41. Here we have ourselves a nonlinear system. And there's a couple ways you could do this. The easiest way is probably through substitution. That's what I would do, substitution. You can do elimination techniques, but they're really hard to do. So I would just use substitution. The top line is pretty easy to solve for x. It'd just be x is 2y plus 3. And everywhere you saw that, you could just plug it in. Although it might make more sense looking at this thing to do this one for y. It'd be kind of ugly, but it wouldn't be too bad. We solve that for y, we'd have negative 2y is 3 minus x divided by the negative 2. And y is x plus 3 over 2. I'm actually going to go that route on this one. We're going to get to kind of a funny looking equation here, but it's not anything you don't know how to clean up. That's what we have. And if I was looking at this thing, the very first thing I would do is I'd fix the fraction. So just 2 everything. As long as you do it to everything, you don't break balance. 2x squared minus x times x plus 3 is now 40. 2x squared minus x squared minus 3x is 40. So x squared minus 3x minus 40 is 0 because I want to use the zero product property in factor. And that's going to be a minus 8 and a positive 5 because negative 8 plus 5 is negative 3 and negative 8 times 5 is negative 40, yada, yada, yada. And my x values are 8 and negative 5. Now that I have those, I can get my y values. So I've got this nice little equation up here. Y is x plus 3 over 2. So y is going to be 8 plus 3 over 2, which is 11 halves. So when x is 8, I get 11 halves returned. And the other one is negative 5. That's going to be a negative 1 when everything is said and done. So a negative 5 returns a negative 1. And that is the ordered pair. Now you get to graph a system. This is x squared plus y squared is less than or equal to 25. This is on your reference sheet. This is a circle, actually, because this is in the form x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equal to r squared. And if we think about it, this means we have a center at 0, 0. And we have a radius equal to 5. I've got equality. And there's my bell. There's my circle. This is y is greater than 3 to the x. If you don't know how to graph 3 to the x, you just make up numbers like 3 to the negative 1, 3 to the 0, 3 to the first, 3 squared, stuff like that. 3 to the negative 1 is a third. 3 to the 0 is 1. 3 to the first is 3. 3 squared is 9. And this one gets to be dashed. Now we want to be above this, but less than the circle. It's that region of space right there. And I have to go.